Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the DC channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Photoshop and how to make your own custom background for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram on Photoshop. Okay, so first things first. Go to your web browser. If it's Google Chrome, enter Explorer, Firefox, just open it like so. Go to google.com. Okay, you're gonna type in Pirate Bay. And if you guys don't want to type this all out, the link is going to be in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. The link is never going to expire, so if you guys have any issues, probably because Pirate Bay went down for a little bit. So just give it like about 30 minutes before you try to press on the link. Okay, so you're gonna go to piratebay.org. Okay, so applications, you're gonna click on applications. For all the people that are following me type step by step, just go ahead and do applications, type in Photoshop, or yeah, Photoshop basically. So which one you're gonna download is the very first one. You're gonna make sure you read the applications too. So the one we're going to be downloading is Photoshop CC 2015 201-50529. Go ahead and click that. Get this torrent. Open link. Close these out. No, I already downloaded ahead of time just for the beginning to be a little bit smooth. And like I said, if you guys don't want to follow this step by step, just go ahead and click the link in the description below. By the way, all right, so you guys see this error right here, cannot find path, blah 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 blah. It's because I took the contents of this folder, which I put it back. I just needed the URL, so I needed to create some other background, some folder. Okay, so to access the containing folder of this, just right click, open the containing folder, continue. Alright, so make sure what operating system your system is, a 32-bit or 64-bit, whatever one you decide to install, it's your choice. And just follow the screenshots and you'll be good to go. Okay guys, so we're here in Photoshop already, right? Alright, so we're gonna go to File, New, okay? So you could go ahead and copy this right now. I recommend you just to pause it and copy all this down. Okay, so just go to custom right here. You're going to switch. Originally, you're going to begin with inches right here. Just switch to pixels. Alright, so your width is going to be 851. Your height is going to be 475. And resolution should be 300 or so, like about there. Okay, so just press OK. Another one. There you go. Boom. Alright, so let's go ahead and start on the background, okay? You just created a new file for the Facebook background. Okay, so what's next? Go to your web browser, wherever your web browser is, and go ahead and search up 3 images, 4 images. It's all gonna be, we're gonna use them. You're gonna use as many as you want. Just go ahead and get 3 of your most favorite images that you want to merge together and make a cool background with. Alright, let's go ahead and start doing this. Okay, so where do we even start? It's simple. Okay, so I have my 4 images right here, like how I wanted them. Okay, so we're gonna click one of these images, like if you guys have a background you want to set as the background for the white, just go ahead and click it and drag it over here. Okay, so after you drag it into Photoshop, you're going to see one of these little borders right here. These are your stretching marks right here. Okay, these are the ones that you can stretch with, and you see this purple line every time I drag it to the very edge. It means that we are exactly in the border. For example, the purple line just basically shows you if you're you're on point with your measurements, like so, like how I am now. Okay, so next, after you merged up your image on after you got the image to fit the white, all of the white, just go ahead and press enter and it will just appear like so. Okay, so next, let's go ahead and focus on something that we want to add. For example, mine is going to be zombies with the skull and death in Japanese. Okay, so this is what I choose for the black part of my thing. So I think that is perfect height. Maybe a little bit like about there. I think that's perfect for my background. So I'm gonna go ahead and press enter. Okay, so we can move it, but we can't exactly like we can't really erase anything, paint it or nothing, which I'll show you how to do that. So go ahead, go to your right box right here in your layer box, go ahead and press right click, rasterize layer, and now you'll be able to, you know, paint whatever like so. But since we're making a custom background, we want the background of this to disappear. How do we do that? Just go right here to your magic wand tool right here, just left click, press delete. Oh no. But yeah, you guys will just press delete and all that. I wonder how this looks if I drag in the back in the black. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. Alright, so you guys just learned how to delete backgrounds on your photo. So yeah, okay, so let's add another photo. This already doesn't have a background, but just in case, let's go ahead and add it. Ooh, I don't like the color of that. So if you guys have an issue like this, how you can't really see the letters or anything that you're having right here that you're wanting to put, let me show you a little trick, okay? Let me align it. Alright, so you can't see the letters that, you know, I put the letters in Japanese right here. You can't see them. So we're going to go ahead and delete the background, and that's how that looks without all the black. So, you know, this little eye right here, these eyes is what gives you the visual of the background. See? Pretty cool. Alright, so we want to change the color of these letters right here. So we're going to go ahead and press rasterize layer. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our background. Ours is a little bit black and blue and white because it's zombie arms. So we're going to go ahead and change our color to our letters, I believe, to a dark blue. Don't worry guys, this isn't then. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Go ahead and dark blue. To be honest, I might get rid of this gold. I'm not too sure. I don't know. Okay. So you guys want to... Okay, so let's say you want to add some shading, get it more... what do you call it? More realistic. Just go ahead and press this tool right here. Normally it will come up like this. Just press it down. Go to your burn tool. Go up here. Go to your size. Then you want to change. And I want to darken these letters like so. I don't know. Should I get rid of that skull? I don't know. I'm not to be honest. I don't know. Oops. Well, as I could do it right there. I think I'll do it like about there, to be honest. It looks creepy, which is good, which is what I want. Okay, so so you guys learn how to take away backgrounds. You guys learn how to edit letters. Alright, so let's just go ahead and mess around a little, see where you guys want to position the images. Like, for example, I didn't like it over here. It looked kind of weird, so I changed the skull a little bit more this way, and it looks pretty creepy. Alright, so now the letters. So in order to move an image, you need to click down here where my cursor is. Just go ahead and click this. Now you can change everything about it. You can move or you can position it wherever you want. So now I am gonna add a little bit of white, I think. So I'm gonna go here, I think that's a little bit too big. Go ahead and go to pixels. But yeah, you guys basically got the fundamentals on how to make a custom background. So how do you export this custom background that you guys just made? All right, so you're gonna go to File, okay, Export. All right, you could export as, but I just do quick export as PNG. Go ahead and do that. All right, just name it wherever you want. I'm gonna leave mine untitled because I'm still gonna edit mine. Just press save. All right, it should come up like so. Let's go ahead and close this. All right, and then yours should be right here. Boom. That's how it should look. Alright guys, so this is the DC channel. If you guys found this useful in any way, if you guys were looking for it to get Photoshop free, this basically helped you how to make custom images for any social media. Go ahead, press this video thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe, press that notification bell. If you don't, damn it. I love you guys. Alright, see ya.